You woke up tired after sleeping. Why? We woke up tired sometimes after 8 hours sleeping. There is hidden medical reasons you don't know. Your body is not recovering at night. Some of them might surprise you because they have nothing to do with how long you slept. Today, I'm going to show you the real medical reasons why this happens. Let us have a look and break it down. Welcome back. My name is Dr. Magid, and this is your channel, Medicine Simply. And I hope that you like our channels, and if you like it, you can subscribe it and spread the videos to your friends. God bless you. Suppose you slept 7 to 7 hours, but you still woke up feeling like you didn't sleep at all. No energy, heavy eyes, brain fog. And the worst part, you think you are resting, but your body is actually not recovering at night. Now, most of the people believe that sleeping longer automatically means feeling better, but is unfortunately not true. Why it is not true? Sleep is not just about duration, it's about quality and recovery cycle. If your sleep cycles are disturbed, you can sleep 10 hours and still wake up exhausted. In this video, we'll uncover the real reasons your body feels tired after sleep and how to fix it naturally. Reason number one, poor sleep quality. You may be sleeping, but not deeply. Deep sleep means your body repairs muscles, restores energy, balances hormones. If you keep waking up slightly during the night, even for a few seconds, you lose deep sleep. What are the common causes? Stress, especially in your work, thinking about tomorrow, anxiety, noise, or strong light, or using your mobile or screen shortly before sleep. Even if you don't remember that you woke up, your brain is remembering. Reason number two, sleep apnea. This is one of the most overlooked causes. Sleep apnea means your breathing stops briefly during sleep. So your brain keeps waking you up to restart your breathing. What is the result? Morning headache, dry mouth, extreme fatigue. Many people have it without knowing. Reason number three, caffeine too late in the day. Caffeine can stay in your body for up to 6 hours. So that afternoon coffee might still be active when you are trying to sleep. Even if you fall asleep easily, although you drink coffee, your deep sleep will be reduced. And by the way, we had a video about a lot of methods which can you sleep naturally without bells. You can watch it in the channel. It will appear at the info. Reason number four, high stress, cortisol imbalance. Stress does not disappear when you sleep. If cortisol, the stress hormone, is high at night, your brain stays alert. Sleeps become shallow. You woke up tired. This is common in people who are overthinking or work under strong pressure. Reason number five, screens before bed. Not only mobile, even TV or iPad, whatever you use, this blue light disturb your brain through transmission of this radiation to your brain, disturbing your deep sleep. Reason number six, late heavy meals. Eating heavy food before bed forces your body to digest instead of rest, force your stomach to work instead of to have a little bit break, increasing your heart rate, interrupt your deep sleep cycles. The result, you woke up tired even after long sleep. And I think all of you notice it after a heavy meal, you cannot sleep well. Number seven, dehydration and low oxygen. Especially in summer, if your body is slightly dehydrated, blood flow will decrease. Brain oxygen become less. You woke up feeling drained. Your brain is tired. Brain oxygen drops. Even mild dehydration can affect your energy level and can affect your deep sleep. So I will cut it short. To wake up fresh, no caffeine after 6 o'clock p.m., no phone 1 hour before sleep, keep room dark and in good temperature, drink water before bed, but not too much, sleep at constant times. Very important to regulate your sleep cycle. Small changes will make for you big energy improvement, and small interruption will affect your energy. So if you wake up tired every day, don't ignore it. Your body is giving you a sign, a signal that your sleep is not working properly. Body cooling like a thermostat. This drop your bedroom temperature from 15 to 19 Celsius. It is 60 to 67 Fahrenheit. And time hot showers for about 90 minutes before you go to bed. Core bed temperature must fall down, so your body is going down by the temperature during sleep. Researches in sleep medicine confirms cooler rooms deepen slow wave sleep. Use breathable sheets, no heavy blankets. So this can help you to sleep well naturally. By sleep, you need magnesium. Load up magnesium in your body by eating Spanish, almonds, pumpkin seeds, nitrogen labels pop, nuts, and leafy greens, and dark chocolate. It calms your receptors in the brain, easing you into a natural sleep. In a data of one researches about sleep, say 400 milligram daily of magnesium improves insomnia by natural diet magnesium. And don't speak about magnesium tablets or supplements. This can help your sleep about 80%. And avoid supplements if diet works. If diet don't works, speak with your doctor about supplements. Fix the quality, not just the hours. I hope that you like our channel, Medicine Simply. You can subscribe it if you like it and spread the videos with us to spread the beneficial medical information worldwide. Was with you, Dr. Magid, Medicine Simply.